This video is going to introduce the tag pipe elevation command, which is available under the vDesign ribbon. It's this icon right here with the 0 inch dimension mark here. And when we open that up, we can see it's pretty straightforward. The point of this command is to tag the elevation of different pipes, and we're doing that based off of a specific level in the model. So here we can see we have a floor, roof, ceiling, and warehouse available. I'm looking at a separate building here, so it's got just the floor, ceiling, and roof available. So we're picking which of these levels we'd like to elevate off of. So you can see if I'm elevating my mains up here off of the floor, I'm going to have a positive elevation. If I were elevating them off of the roof, I'd be looking kind of down and I'd have a negative elevation. So if I go into a ceiling plan mode here, I can come in, open the command up, choose the floor, click create, and then it will elevate in the center of whichever pipe I'm clicking. So we can see here these are 9'6" off the floor. I could tag the branch line as well, and we can see we're positive 9'6" off the floor. If I were to choose a level that is above, such as that roof level, click create, we'll get a star or asterisk -2'6", so I'm 2.5 feet below that level. When you're tagging a non-flat pipe, so if it's vertically elevated or sloped, it's going to tag it on whichever end of that pipe you click on rather than in the center. So if we go to our riser over here, we run that same command. We can elevate off the floor, click create, and now if I click on the bottom side here, it's going to elevate the bottom. If I click up at the top, I'll get another elevation up at the very top of that pipe. It behaves similarly with sloped pipes, so if I were to go look at this set of pipes over here, these all have a slight slope to them. So if I were to do something similar, I can elevate this end of the pipe over here, and I can do the same over on the other side, and we can see that there's an elevation difference between that start and end there. But again, it's going to be on whichever end of the pipe you click on. So if I wanted to elevate that outlet or elevate each outlet all the way down, I have the option of doing so. You do have the option of customizing certain things if you wanted to by clicking on the tags and then modifying the spot elevation parameters for VK elevation from below or VK elevation from above, which is the asterisk or elevating down option. That introduces our tag pipe elevation command, now available in vDesign.